Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. How's everybody doing out there? Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. What a move, what a move, what a move. Kind of funny how it worked out, huh? Slam it down at first, then they rip it. Boy, oh boy, do they rip it. Excuse me. Hey, Raj, good evening. Miss K, Finite, what's up, what's up? Natty Nate. It's all fun things. Now I need to... I got two things I need to get over here. Get over here. Need to get financial juice up. Make sure I don't miss no headlines. Hey, so it's rare that we get gaps during the week in the futures market. Well, we got a big old gap today. Big old gap down here on the NASDAQ from the current price. We are looking at about another 159 points lower. Hey, David Snyder, what's up? Nice. Made some nice cash scalping NVIDIA. Hey, Plum Trader, what's up? I do want to go pull up something. So I think it's kind of funny what we've been talking about the last couple of days. So I think we're gonna hit that point of control. Well, NASDAQ smashed it here this evening, and over here on the ES, we smashed that point of control as well. The weekly point of control. So I get this set up. All right. There we go. All right. Yeah, NVIDIA is getting it. NVIDIA is getting it. Had a high of 220.81. What does that look like on the daily? It brings it up here pretty decent. Hey, but is it going to be short-lived? Hey, Leo, what's up? Is this little pop going to be short-lived? I don't know. Don't forget, if you guys haven't yet, smash that lucky like button. I say oops because I have not hit it myself. So shame on me. Hey, Ashley, what's up? All right, let's see. I'm going to be lucky number, 24. All right. Yeah, I'll be interested to see how this plays out tomorrow. You know, do we get a little bit of a smacking down overnight or not? Do we pull back at all? We look tonight. Do we have any other news coming out tonight? Not really. All right. What about Thursday? Well, we got Jackson Hole starting. We have the weekly unemployment claims. Are they going to sell some of this NVIDIA or not? Is going to be $1 million question. Nikkei tonight. Look at Nikkei. Nikkei gapped up, coming down, trying to fill the gap. Kospi, big gap up. You're short right now. Nice. I mean, I wouldn't mind shorting, but I'm going to hold off. I was going to hold off for a little bit. At least in terms of the micro trade. I should have already been in the micro if I was going to short it. So, yeah, big old gap. And the question is, really, are we going to come down, just fill the gap and then rock it again? Or is that it? Because as long as we stay below on the let's go to NASDAQ. As long as we stay... As long as we stay below the swing point over here, we still have this potential ABC pattern on the way down. So something like that. That's going to be about 20,789. So we have gold up 16 at the moment. Crude oil is down, which let's go check on those real quick. Get my bearings real quick. Yeah, crude oil is kind of drifting down here a little bit. Crude oil had a decent little run up this afternoon or late morning. Gave it back kind of a little bit. Gold's already had a pretty decent move up tonight. Pulling back here a bit. Wouldn't mind being short gold over here, but we're right here at the VWAP. Hey, learn the hard way. What's up? Hey, what's up, String Bean? You don't want some of what I got. Whew, when it goes bad, it goes bad. I get a lot of... It's kind of funny. People think, you got it easy. I don't have it easy. See me go green to red all the time. Green to red, green to red, green to red, green to red. And then a lot of times they get it back to green, but not always. And people think it's not stressful. For me, it still is. Doing it in front of people makes it even more stressful. So people just look at the end result like, that was easy. Yeah, easy for you. You weren't the one trying to make the decision. It's not easy, I promise. I think that Nikkei is going to try to fill the gap. If that Cosby comes down, we're going to the NVDA coming down. Look, NVIDIA's good. Let's see if NVIDIA can get down towards this lower VWAP area. No, definitely not easy for me. Definitely, if I give you guys that perception, it is 100% false. It is not easy. I struggle day to day just like everybody else. If it was easy, I'd have no losing trades. Or I'd never go green to red. You guys see me be up pretty good on a day, go red, and then have to fight back. So... yeah, I don't think it's good to try to pretend that you don't have hard times. You're not going to learn about anything about it. You're not going to get any better. So you have to be able to take ownership of your mistakes. If you can't, well, too bad, too sad. You're not going to get any better. You're going to be stuck where you're at. All right, look, I think that one of the first targets, if you're looking for this gap, that I would be considering would be the top of the gap. The opening price tonight, I think, is a nice juicy target. I don't know if we're going to fill this whole entire gap. I almost kind of feel like that might be a trap. Get everybody focused on the gap and then boop, rip it back up. I don't know yet. Is that a 4 when I have a Ferrari? I don't want a Ferrari. I don't want a Ferrari. I don't want a Lambo. I mean, I joke about it, but I don't really want one. I look at a vehicle, I just think how much of a pain in the butt it is. Fast second TPT eval. Nice. 2 for 2. 2 for 2. Nice. I think this week I'm only going to get to ride the foil one day. That was yesterday or day before. Got $4 in gold. Hey, Raj, you took the short? Or did it end up bouncing? You went long. Did you play the bounce off VWAP? Or did you take the short? Yeah, I took the bounce. Speaking of FEGs. Oh yeah, we got a big old FEG area. Oh boy. Oh boy. We'll see if the market can get down there or not. I don't know. I feel like the gap fill trade is way too easy. It's way too easy to spot. And I kind of think it might be a trap. I don't know. My gut instinct is I want to trade for the gap fill. But, you know, the fact that we've already pulled off the high pretty decent, I didn't get involved. I don't know how I feel about that. 98 points off the high already.
Connection lost.
All right. Fantastic. Oh, up here? Maybe up here. I think this is a very logical target. Especially if we were to pull a fib, maybe something like this. From here up to there on the 5-minute. You know, just below the 38% retracement is where that, you know, gap support comes in. So I like that idea. I don't know. Just don't know how I feel about it. Yeah, $8. It was mine. MFF disconnected and reconnected. I don't know why they do that sometimes. Oh yeah, spoof order above. A good eye on that. Right up here about 645. Yeah, white boy, what's up? What's up? Oh yeah, they probably will. I mean, that's a pretty big order, especially at nighttime. I don't know. Wouldn't mind looking for a short. I wish I was already short, to be honest with you. I like how we just came and broke this structure right here on the 5 minute. Question is, do we bounce back up here and then start to get down more into that FEG? No, we're at the lower regression channel. It is starting to slope down now. Here's what I'd really like to see. This would get me more excited about the downside. We've already broken the VWAP. All right, we had to push down. Can we now come back up for the test? We can overshoot it just a little bit, but then start working our way back down. Then I'll be a little bit more inclined to want to sell it. I don't know that I want to be a seller just yet. I don't know that I want to be a buyer right here either. Hey, four legs, what's up? The four legs, I'm going to make sure you're in the duck race tonight, as long as you're on. We'll make sure you get in the duck race. We do got 2 Lucid accounts up for grabs. Let's do this. Oh, you missed a race? That's weird. Copy. Oh, I gotta show you guys something. What's Let's see if I can find it. What's going on there? All right, hold on. Understand what's going on here. Why is that not working? That's weird. I don't know. But if we look today, look, here was the first 100-point trade on the NASDAQ during the stream. Here was the second one. The third one hit. I didn't realize when I put the target on, when I went to go swim with my daughter, I had the ATM on. Thankfully, I was back and watching it because it started raining. So I came back to look and I watched it hit. Then it put me in a short. I was like, uh-oh, closed it. But 300-point trades on the MNQ today. pretty darn good. I think my control might be jacked up. It's weird. Let's see. That's right. That's in the wrong button. Hitting the wrong button. All right. No, I'm not affiliated with NextGen. Yeah, hey, BK, that's really good. Especially, well, I mean, after hours, the range expanded. But if we look at the range on the NASDAQ, you know, if we want to gauge how good did we actually do, we had a range today of 341 points. And that takes into consideration that big move after hours. If we got away from, let's just see. Yeah, even that candle. Hey, so actually, if you look at in regular from last night, so if you minus 62 points from that range, I actually got more than what the range was during the day when I quit trading. I think that's pretty good. That's an anomaly. It's not a normal occurrence. So that's not normal. So the micros were banging out today. We was liking them. Russia assaults industrial site in Ukraine. So we got to see how this is all going to shake out. Do we fill the gap? What do you guys think? Are we going to fill the gap or not? Yeah, I trade micros in my cash all the time. They're more overnight trades, though. I'd say at least 4 out of the 5 days a week, I do micros in my personal account, too. I usually have a trade on when I go to bed. Normally, not always, but a lot of times. A lot of times I'll be in the MES, though. I trade more MES than MNQ, but sometimes that flip-flops. So I'm looking. I'm very, very, you know, I wouldn't mind for an overnight trade to maybe play down towards the little gappy gap. You know, if I can get multiple contracts on this, if we bounce up here a little bit, and I get multiple contracts on, take one contract off up here, attempt to take the other one off down here, that could be a banger of a trade. I still remember when they first started trading micros. I was so excited. So excited. Now I could go for bigger moves and it made it a lot easier to trade at work. Lots and lots easier. They're trying to bring this sucker down, aren't they? Oh, I missed it. I don't know. I'm going to trade the nanos. Somebody was in the chat earlier. I think it was Ouchlow. I don't know if he's still in here. But basically saying it's good. You have to make 6 points just to break even. Ooh, might have been 2000. I don't know. 15, 16. I don't know. When did, let's go look it up. Maybe 18. I don't think it was 18. I know when I first started trading futures, I was like, man, I wish I had a contract that wasn't so much per point and so much margin. Let's see. Oh, it says launch date 2019. Oh, it was later than that. It's 2019. So before that, I wasn't doing the overnight trade the way I do it now. overnight trade, I would just scalp at night. But wow, 2019, I really thought was longer ago. Because the broker I had back in the day, when I started trading futures, it was costing me 2,000 something per contract to day trade it. Bookmap is milking Asia for a change. Schwab, oh boy. I remember there was a guy at work. He was friends with another guy I was friends with, and he started trading. He heard us always talking, and so he was gonna start trading on his own. He wasn't gonna ask no questions. He was just gonna do it on his own. He was trading with Thinkorswim. It was costing him like $7 per micro. Golly, that's a lot you got to recover just to make any money per contract. That's crazy. Big drop coming. Hey Raj, big drop in the NQ. I was thinking about getting short. I'm trying to temper it. My gut wants to go for the gap fill, but yeah, TOS is nice. It's not day trader friendly in terms of commissions. So I switched to TOS a long time ago when I was trading options, because the platform I was on, I'd have to build out the option leg. So I was selling spreads. I have to try to get filled on one, then get filled on the other one, and it really messed up your costs sometimes. So I couldn't sell the naked one first necessarily, and so I had to get the one that I bought and then try to sell the other one, and that was a hot mess. So TOS had it where I could pick the spread and just pick right around the midpoint of what the bid ask was for the spread and try to get filled around the midpoint. You don't have TOS there? Oh man. Yeah, it was a good platform. Has a lot of different studies and very good for options. That's what got me into using it. And now that's the main platform I use on my phone to monitor the markets. I see something good, then I'll log into NinjaTrader if I'm just going to trade my account. If I'm going to trade the prop accounts, then I'll remote into the computer at home. Yeah, TD sold at the Schwab. Yeah. Yeah, my account got transferred too. What time is it? I don't know what time I came on. Like, man, I feel like this is the longest I've been without placing a trade on stream. I don't know if that's true or not, but I'm really itching, but I know I got to be careful. You can get Bookmap for free for one instrument. I think they rotate it or something like that, but it doesn't have all the features either. I don't think it has market pulse. You can't get the icebergs and stop runs. So I think they rotate that instrument too, Raj. They were doing 3 instruments, I heard, and then they started rotating it because people were just trying to get it for free. Yeah, NQ band to band, you can see it right here. But is what it is. Not even upset with it. Hey, Adam, what's up? Market Delta. Hey, is it Market Delta? Hey, is that the company that went out of business, Raj? They first had they're one of the big first providers of footprint charts. That's who I'm thinking of. I can't remember if that was Market Delta or not. Oh, it's still in business? Oh. Yeah, it came with footprint charts. Yeah. Hey, so back then, Raj, that's when I was getting into footprint charts back when they were around. All right, so here's a question. All right, we got to ask ourselves. We're coming up on gap support right here. And we're just going to drop a nice horizontal line right across that area. Let's pump it up here just a little bit. And we got to ask ourselves this question. All right, we got to be real about it. When we come down here, are we going to reject? Or are we going to flush all the way down and fill the gap? Okay, see, that's the low of the day right there too. We're right there. We're almost right at gap support. I'm really kicking myself for not being in that. At least with a micro, but we're gonna give it all back. Anyway, we gotta ask ourselves, are we gonna bounce there, or do we flush all the way down and fill the gap? $1 million question. What did Paul just send? Let's go look. $375 easy next 1 hour. Go from 581 with 3. Nice. Hey, we do got a 9 count down here too. And look, we're down here at the VWAP bands as well. It's a good area to look for a bounce. Excuse me. So we kind of got structure being gap support. And then we're down in the VWAP bands and we have a 9 count. And short term we're oversold. Let's see. I'm going to take a swing at it. See if I can get a little bounce. Just a little reaction. If we can get a decent little bounce, I may look to be on the sell side and then play down for the gap fill. I'll probably do it with micros though. Probably. Come on, don't be a stupid market already. Really wish my stop was down below the white line. I'll give it one more shot. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Maybe it's going for the gap. Let's see. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. We go all the way for the gap. SNDK. Yeah, I'll look at that here in a moment. I don't want to overstay my welcome. I don't want to go for a big bounce. I'm only looking for a scalp here. Play out of this band a little bit. Out of the VWAP band. I don't know, Rick. I figured you would have got it by now. Usually a little after 7, a little after 8. I say no later than 8:30 typically. Flood in Nepal is insane. I didn't see it. See, when you guys said I had it easy, look, green to red already. Separate eligibility one. I don't know what that is. I don't know. I don't have any new accounts since they had some updates. I mean, I have accounts, they're just not passed yet. So I got a little bit more to go. But yeah, I know there's a good chance we go down and fill the gap. I'm just looking for a little bounce. Little bounce out of this VWAPs. Stupid market. Stupid market. You see right there at the white line. Very good chance that we go down and we try to fill that gap. Oh. Hey, Rick, I still don't think it's going to be that long. Tonight, first thing in the morning, probably. If that. All right, F it. I'm long again. Ooh, look at that wick on the NASDAQ or ES. See if I can get some of this back. On the ES, gap fill price would be 77.10. No, I don't have any micros on. No micros. I'm kind of kicking myself for that. I chickened out. Oh, shoot. Wrong screen. All right. Right there's the gap support line. We'll see if it holds. Again, we are down in the VWAP bands. We got 9 count right beside us. Oh, it's the one you won. Oh, man. Nice. Rick, even better. I would have had my MFF basically where I had to do a flip day today or maybe make $100. And my TPT accounts would have been very close too, but yeah, I held on to a trade too long and it came back on me. So they all finished green, but man, I gave back a lot of the profit I was up. Lots and lots. All right, what do we got going on here? Let's go double check. Oh, Nikkei's down now. Wow. Nikkei gapped up only to come down. Kospi's trying to roll over too. HSI opens up at 9:30. They're going to fill that gap already. Man, I thought it'd take a little bit longer. Son of a biscuit eater. Oh, well. Oh, nice pieces. Yeah, I like that account, MFF. I would have been passed, or I might have had to make, because of consistency, I might have had to make another $100. But it would have been very close. TPT accounts would have been very close too, but they ended up only making a little bit compared to what they were up. I held on to a trade and it came back on me. Almost hit my target too. And it friggin' came back on me. So, hey, we do have the ES into the gap as well. So ES is breaking that gap support. At 425. Oh yeah, I see that. See if we're gonna get on there and get it. Interesting. Hmm. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it's almost covered the gap. Yeah, it's trying to get down there too. Hmm. All right. So let's do this. So my MFF accounts have been working on. That's not right. Let me all right. So my MFF accounts I'm working on, I got to make a little bit more. I got to worry about the consistency. I need about another 400 and I don't know, 400 and something dollars, and they'll be passed. These are the rapid EOD accounts, 50Ks. So I can only make $900 a day to be within the consistency rule. So I doubt I'm going to trade those anymore. So I'll probably just be done with those. I'm thinking. So we just keep barreling down here. We're going to go all the way down through the gap. Jeez. Jeez Louise. We're still down those VWAP bands. Where's the oil? Oil's down 54. Gold's up 10. Gap on the ES is... So to close the gap on the ES, we got to come all the way down to 77.10. On the NASDAQ, we're almost there. You got to come down to 432.5. So we're right there at it. So we'll see. ZW? Huh. Hold on a second. I went long again here on this NASDAQ. Let's see if we can get it. Really kicking myself for not taking our profits in my TBT today. I would have been so good. So good. Mother. Yeah. TBT accounts I had up a lot more today too. If we look, I'll show you guys where they're at right now too. So the TBT accounts tonight are up. Not too bad. So I need what, another $3,100 to pass. So, and this sucks. They were up big today. They would have been very close to freaking passing. Very close. But I don't know. Whatever. I'm closing out those too. Oh. And we look at this. We look over here tonight on the Lucid and Tradify accounts. Tradify is doing a little bit better than Lucid because Lucid, those are the accounts that Jesse talked me out of just torching. I was going to torch those suckers. And thankfully I did not. Here's the Lucid up here, Tradify down here. They're up 485 tonight ish. I got them broken up into 3 groups. I gotta rename that one. That's MFF, TPT, Lucid, and then Apex. But these need about another 800 bucks. 7 something, 800, they'll be passed. So I'm not gonna try to force it. We'll take it slow. It is what it is. So scared to use minis. So let's go look. How close are we now? Did we fill the gap yet? Oh, 432. 441. We're getting awful darn close. We are getting close to filling that gap. Yeah, TPT left the 3-day to pass. Correct? Oh boy, I'm getting froggy with it here. 3 deep. Trying to play catch-up mode. Where am I at? How much am I down? Hoping I can get a little rip up here real quick. So in all the prop accounts, I only traded micros in the prop accounts. You son of a... Oh boy. Prop account's doing good. Mic account not doing so good. Son of a beep. Oh, there you go, Paul. Hey, Paul, I don't know what I'm looking at. I don't know. Hey, Russell's down tonight now. What are we looking at, Paul? All trend lines pointing to sell. Hey, well, where's your target on that? Hey, so where are you looking for the target at that on that, Paul? Hey, Eddie, good evening. How do you derive of that from that chart? How do you get 333 from that chart? Or did you get that level somewhere else? All right. Back long again. We hit 440. What was the gap fill? I don't think we filled the gap yet. Gap fill is 432. So I just need a little pop. Oh, just extend them? Come on, I could use a nice little bounce. Trading the NASDAQ. NASDAQ futures. Right now, I'm just donating. It's the market donation. Kind of funny. All my evals are doing good. My account not doing so good. Kind of funny how that freaking works. This is gonna suck. I almost just cursed. Oh man. Bounces right when I'm about to get out. They must have thought that red line was my stop loss. It came down just to stop it out and bounce. Like, there he is. No, we don't have to go back and do the whole, trend reversal. Look what I'm doing again. Same friggin' problem. Look. So I'm trying to fade it, but look how strong the trend is. Look at the regression channel. We just wait. It'll flatten out and it'll start going up. No, don't want to do it the easy way? Nah. It's way too easy. Did the ES fill the gap? No, ES about 3 points away. This is gonna suck if I get stopped out. It's gonna put me down pretty good already tonight. And my gut instinct said I really wanted for the gap fill. I ain't listened to my gut. We're not even trying to bounce. Jesse doing the same? Yeah, but I'm doing it with minis. Hey, Jesse, all my evals are doing great. The accounts I cannot make any money from are doing great tonight. My account? Jesse's in the chat. He's in here. Son of a biscuit eater. I really need to wait for this regression channel to start turn, but I'm in it now. I forgot your request. What was your request? So yes, I did forget because I don't remember what it was. Or I didn't see it. 434 bounce. Oh, 4 points below me. That's great. Hey, can you move that level up just a little bit? So I don't get stopped out. It's going to stop me out before it bounces. Oh, ZW? That's right. I do remember you asking. ZW. Wheat? I don't ever trade this stuff. I don't know anything about this chart. I've never traded me any wheat. That's pretty strong though. I guess, I mean, that's going to be problematic for us. Wheat going up, that's not going to be good. Or problems with Russia and Ukraine. They try to push this thing back up to 500. I got stopped out. I'm down good now. Let's go look. Yeah, down 2K. So we know what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be trying to get that shovel out and start digging. It's going to be a late night. Can I stand on my head? Yes, Eric, I can. Will I? That's a different story. But I can. Hey, we hit 32. Someone said bounce at 34. Let's see. Do we actually get the gap fill? We did. Hold on. 32. Hey, we got the gap fill to the tick. We filled the gap to the tick. You son of a biscuit eater. Stupid market. I like that we're down here in these bands. I don't like. I just got stopped out those times. Thinker struck by unknown projectile. All right, we got it going. We'll see if this will be the trade that gets me back. I doubt it. We got the gap filled. Do we turn and go back up now? Let's see. Did ES fill the gap? I don't think so. ES did not fill the gap. 710. We only made it down to 714. 714 and a half. We did not. Tanker struck by unknown projectiles. Boost rates. Fire on vessel now extinguished. Let's see if this is gonna get it. Will it get it? I was up. I had a good start to the night. I just gave it all back plus some. Guess silver lining. Proper counts did all right. I'm hard-headed. I can't hear you. Let's see. What am I seeing? A nice little rip. Rip it. Rip it. It goes up there and hits my target. Here's the opening price, here's the opening price tonight. We go back up towards there. We do have that spoof order up here on the NASDAQ. Right. Oh, they pulled it already. That order at right around 500, they pulled it. We had 501 contracts sitting there. And now we have a whopping 26. Yeah, they already yanked those orders. Wish you could screen share. Yeah, definitely would make it a lot easier, Paul. Because you got a lot of lines going. And for you, it makes sense. And it probably makes sense after you showed me what you're doing. Where all the lines are coming from. I do like that. We're trying to bounce off these VWAP bands. Hey, so let's go look at something real quick. Let's think logically. All right? I'm going to be conservative on the Fibonacci retracement. All right. 491 is the 38% retracement. Is that far-fetched where I have my targets? I don't think so. Email me his monitor. Oh boy. Base hits. That's probably smart, Raj. That's one of the problems I get into when I get down. I look for the big move to try to get it back, and that's how it gets uglier. A lot of times. I really wish I would have been, this trade would be entered in down here. So my stop could be below that low. Come on, let's get it. This trade might be able to get me back. Holy crap. Come on, keep on ripping. Rip it. Rip it. 484. Probably gonna look to exit right around the 38% retracement if we get there. So 491-ish, probably. Or at least peel one off up there. Come on, let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, I really want to, Raj. I want 491 though. I want 491. It's a conservative Fibonacci retracement level. 491, I'm going to peel one off. So let's see it hit it. I'll take one down. Pass it around. Come on. Blip. Come on. Blipper it up. Blip, blip, blip. You guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash that lucky like button. Show your support. I do truly appreciate it. Help me defeat the YouTube algorithms. Can't do it without you guys. Lookouts below. Whoa, 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 whoa. No lookouts below yet. $73 loss. Hey, Jesse, were you long? Shoot. I could have got out and been up. I would have been right around break even right there at the high. Come on up there. Squeeze on up, baby. Come on. Come on. Get it. Get it. Please. Pretty please. Are you there? Uh-oh. I said please, NASDAQ. Please, please. Take 2 off, please. Jesse, you said add 2 more? I should have got out up here. I could have been back to break even right there. If I had the perfect exit, it would have been roughly break even. We can run up towards 500. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah, 491. Come on, it's 38% retracement. We're being a little scaredy pants. Trade like the NASDAQ, we know that you are. Hey, Raj, or I could lose it. Could lose another 300 trying to get it. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on. You can do it. Please? Maybe. Come on. We're getting close. We're getting close. We're in the ballpark. Come on. Come on. Ooh, we have a 9 count there too. I took one off. Actually. I should have took 2 off. Then we regret that. Hey, because after we hit the 38% retracement, quite often we either go sideways or pull back. I should have took 2 off and try to play the other one up a little bit more. God, dog it. I could still get out right here and be up. Maybe be up for the day. It'd be close. Not no more. That's what I'm worried about. Yeah, I might be able to get more out of it if we don't come all the way down. I should have took it. I should have took at least 2 off. I recognize that was just a little bit too late to act, but if we can come up and set a higher low, might be able to start working on an ABC pattern on the way up. So we'll just keep adjusting this and see where the turning point is right now. Right now, that target would be about 517. So let me just front run that. Just a smidge. So my runner target would be the ABC completion. Trying to front run it up there. Really wish I would have took 2 off. If I could rewind, I would take 2 off up there. Oh, good looking out, Chris. Smash that lucky like button, guys and gals. Don't forget, we do have 2 Lucid accounts to give away tonight. Don't hold me to it, but I think we have a Pro and a Flex 50K account. I'll have to check that out. I don't know that's to be true, but I think so. I'll log in here in a little bit. Hey, Jacob. Good evening. So what's the ranges we've had? Just tradable range. 222 points on the NASDAQ. On the ES, 26 points. That doesn't include the gap. Yeah, real estate. I got you. Real estate. I got you. Just paste your name right under 4 legs. I meant to get you in earlier today. Not here for the free stuff. I'm not gonna let it get me out for a loss. So I could have been up. I could have been up for the night. Oh man. And watch it. It scared me out. I started hearing the boom, boom, boom. I said I'm out. I'm closing it. I'm out. We have to readjust that ABC pattern now. We went lower. Let's actually look. We might have retraced too far now. No, if we break 444, that'll invalidate any possible ABC pattern for me. I'll just go ahead and draw that down there now, which that only takes us up to 500. So that sucks. So yeah, I could have had it all back. That's the greed monster kicking in. We rejected right off that 38% retracement too. That's a pretty good sign the market is weak. Gold's on the move up too. Let's see, the dollar coming down. DXY. Not really. Look at gold. Gold's on the move. Gold is on the move. Where's the VWAP bands? We're getting back up towards that second band. Oh. Hey, Raj, what do you think about shorting gold up here in the bands? I'm liking it. 440. I don't know. I'm a little bit fearful we might dip a little bit lower. Low 444, probably going all the way back down to the low. And then probably going lower. But we should at least retest the low. We'll see if it just takes another leg down or not. ES has not filled the gap yet. So you look at the ES. We have a little bit lower to go on the ES for the gap fill. Here's a zone that we drew out earlier today on the live stream. So we start breaking, watch for it to come up and test that. We got up there at the very end of the day. So. But. You got 1 can tonight? Man, let's go. Our profit counts are doing good. Profit counts are banging it. But I feel like we might be trying to come down a little bit lower here. I'm watching gold too. If gold can get up there, we need gold to get a little bit higher. It didn't get there. Think about shorting gold. Almost. I would have. So MFF would have been about $100 away. I just didn't take it. I was worried about the consistency rule, so I didn't take it. So. Oakland turned against you. Might get a shot in gold. We need gold to come up a little bit. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. You guys. Look, we're right there at the do or die moment. Hey, 500 is a target on that ABC pattern. I don't think we broke. We went right down to 445. I said 444, we break. That validates the pattern. Oh boy, let's get it. Let's get it. Woo-wee. I'm not going to try to push my luck much past that. Again, if you want me to draw out the ABC pattern for you guys, A to B equals C to D. Right there, right around 500. We need to hurry him get there. Get there. I don't know if that'll be enough to... I think it will. I think I'll be up for the night. See you tomorrow. Jesse said, add another one. Do you guys agree I need to add two more? Four more. Oh, four more. Four. Make it three. Make it three. I like it. Like the way you think. Three more. Ooh. Hey, maybe, Bob. I hope it's going to. Let's get it. Let's get it. I mean, come on. What could possibly go wrong? I shouldn't even joke like that. Wait till let me get the money back first before I make jokes. We trade. Oh, this isn't aggressive. You see me when I'm not online. When I do the real stupid things. When I'm not in front of you guys. That's when the show comes out. Short term, we got to be overbought. I was hoping for just a little bit more of a push. Fingers on the close button. Oh man, I should have closed it. I really regret that one. Maybe. We haven't hit the ABC target though. 499 is the target. Come on, jokers. I got my eye on gold too. I'm not in gold, but I got my eye on it. I'm watching you, gold. Took half your position at 491. Nice. Hey, good job, Bob. Rashes. Add 10 more. Oh, man. I'm at least going to put my stop in the money. Oh, let's trail it up here a little bit. I took one off. Started to get a little bit nervous. All right, got me. All right, woohoo! Back up. What was the high watermark tonight? 600 bucks. 600 bucks down 2,100. Back to 80 bucks. Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Let's get it. Now let's take a look at something. Let's pay attention when this regression channel actually changed. Look, see how now it was slamming to the downside. Now it's starting to. It's trying to flatten out. Every time we get a new candle, you see it starting to move back a little bit. I've learned to be patient. I'm much better at being patient when I'm up than when I'm down. So. I mean, all my profit counts did good tonight, so I'm happy with that. I'm up in all the profit counts combined. I don't even know. They're all eval, so it doesn't matter. I can't get any money out of them. I can woohoo pass. So. Hey, so now we got the gap filled. Well, the ES didn't fill the gap. The NASDAQ filled the gap. So let's think about something real quick. Let's go look at NQ real quick on the daily. Some of the higher time frame charts. Very interesting. Let's looky. Let's pull a fit. I'm kind of curious on this retracement right here. How far do we retrace? Right around 38% retracement. Hey, if we end up breaking back up, we're gonna have an ABC pattern that will take us to new all-time highs. Oh boy. So 32,113. When everybody thinks it's all over with, what about how far away is YM? Not as close as I thought it was. RTY is not too far away from all-time highs. Then the ES. Yeah, we're ripping back. See, I should have held that sucker. I should have held it. And look, you see the regression channel. Watch, it's gonna flatten out more and more. Watch the next tick. It's gonna flip. I gotta learn to be a little bit more patient. I want to get back where I was at. New session highs. Gold still did not make it to my VWAP bands. So unfortunately, no trade for me yet in gold. I've been stalking it. Just not ready yet. Huh. Yeah. Well, I had a feeling. I said, even though I didn't take the trade, I said my gut feeling is we're going to try to go down for the gap. And I almost took a short. I hesitated, and then it left the station without me. And then I decided I'm going to buy. Oh, boy. So the question is, do we put the low in for the night on this dip down? Is a low in for the whole entire session? Checking out at 510. And look, that regression channel is even, flatten out even more. See, look, every time a new bar ticks, it keeps flattening out. I think they're going to start turning this bad boy up. So now I want to start looking for buys. Let's see. See if they can turn it a little bit more. 497. Yeah, hey, that's where I had the ABC pattern. I think it was at 499, but right in that same area. I'm a beast gambler. All right. You call it what you want. Does not bother me. Yeah, now I'm a perma bull. That's pretty funny. I know, Raj, I can't win. You're a perma bear. You're a perma bull. You're just mad. So. No, hey, Mongo, no consistency rule once you're funded. None. Hey, Ashley, what's up? Hey, J Loves. I've been green, been red, back to green, barely. All right. Try and get back some of that monies I lost. Guarantee you one thing though, the chart's gonna continue to go to the right. Oh, 930. HSI just opened up too. Ew, let's go look. HSI, nice little gap up there. And Nikkei is not having the love though. Nikkei is not hanging out. Ooh, I don't know. Hey, just ain't right. I don't know. They said the rapid EOD account is for a limited time, but if you have it, oh, there is no reoccurring membership. So if you have it, as long as the account's active, they're not going to cancel it on you. But I think that count is awesome. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you, Mr. Market. Okay, now look, here's a regression channel going sideways. Now this is when I should be favoring longs. Not like I was doing before. And then when it gets too steep up, just hold off, wait for it to start flattening out, then sell it back down. Easy peasy. Easy peasy, but the problem is, it's everything in between your left ear and your right ear that causes all the problems. I mean, some people like Trade8, some people like Trading View. I prefer Ninja Trader myself, but I've been using it for a long time. I know. Hey, Rick, once I get in that mode, so what happens? So Raj said it earlier. You missed the move. You're like, I'm going to counter trend it. So then I'm like, oh yeah, you're gonna give me my money back. And I was pretty confident we wouldn't keep flushing down, but I did not know that. I was hoping. So, hey, what's the high tonight in the NASDAQ actually? 654. Wow. That's nice. And I had the right idea looking for a bounce. I was just way early. Way early. We're down here in the bands. I just didn't wait for it to develop. It's like, nah, you're going to go up. Nope, that didn't work. Try it again. Yeah, I'm not taking a tree in Asia. Hey, what kind of tree were you trying to take? 520 shares. Hey, Bob, where at? Hey, Bob, where's the 520? I don't see it. Oh, you're 520. Never mind. I read it wrong. Oof. You meant 520 price. I thought you meant 520 shares on Bookmap. I don't know how I got that. Yeah, So if we can get a little pullback back to the EMAs, and I want to go long if we can get a pullback. Get a little pullback. Little pullback. Get down tonight. Come on. Give me my pullback, please. 7:59 for tomorrow. Hey, let's get it. We might. New York might open up tomorrow and be like, yeah, let's go NVIDIA. Which, speaking of, how's NVIDIA doing now? You see the Nikkei trying to bounce back up. Yeah, NVIDIA is trying to run back up towards the highs. Hey, Raphael, I forgot to check. Hey, Raphael, you did get your 383 by today at the very end. Yeah. Last half hour of the day, last hour of the day, you got your 383. We didn't get it last night, but we got it before the session ended. DKS. I want a little bit more of a pullback. Ew. Wow, that's a pretty big gap. Yeah, I wouldn't touch that yet. For me, I wouldn't want to touch it. I want to wait. If I was going to go long, I'd only target this candle body right here. 142. Just to play it conservative. But I'm not going to touch it. But if I were. Yeah, back to the duck race. Yeah, I remember you saying that, Raphael. All right, we got a 9 count right up here. Not looking for a short. I'm looking for a pullback so I can get long. And I might want to try to target this VWAP. Yeah, it's not far enough away for me. Think about maybe I'll just put a micro on it and then I can DCA into it. Yeah, you can have 20 Apex accounts. Nice. A little bit of FOMO entry, but let's see. VWAP is at what price? 548. I'm gonna try to front run that VWAP. Trying to front run the VWAP. Hopefully it doesn't come back down here and gets me. Hey, Bob, I wouldn't mind selling the puts. because there's a lot of ways to make money. You're buying it. What puts you say? 125. Ugh. I would try to sell a little bit lower, but I mean, I like that a lot better than just looking for a directional trade. So if it goes sideways, you can still make money. If it goes up, you make money. If it goes down, you could get in trouble, but that's a pretty big weekly candle too. I would think we bounce sometime soon, but Oh, hey, Bob, what caused it? What caused the big drop? I just assumed earnings, but I didn't look. Waiting on 583? Wow. Yeah, I'm being conservative, trying to front run the VWAP right here. Oh, they bought Foot Locker? Hey, gold's getting into the bands too. Oh boy. We got gold coming in the bands. I'm watching gold. I'm not in it yet, but I'm thinking about it. Thinking really hard about it. Actually, I'm gonna take that trade off. Hey, so I'm not too far down from equity highs now. So yes, had a pretty good bounce too. Here's the thing I'm going to be having a hard time with tomorrow. If we don't come down and fill the gap overnight with this ES, NASDAQ filled the gap. The ES did not. That's going to be a little problematic. No, I go against the bands. So as we're coming into it, you want to look for fades. So you want to look for shorts out of the upper bands. You want to look for longs down here at the lower bands. When you get to a strong trend, you will get run over, but I don't know. That's why I was getting ready to check. Let's just check Dow and the RTY real quick. Dow didn't have the huge gap tonight. What about RTY? Yeah, RTY did fill the gap. Filled the gap plus some. Still below it, actually. Battle of the bands. Battle of the bands. Oh, good thing I got out. We did pull back from there. Not upset. Not upset. Hey, so let's pull a fib real quick on the ES. Yeah, it's not much of a retracement up. Let's just see. And we did retrace back to the 38% retracement. Maybe look for a fade up here, maybe. Fade back down towards that gap fill. Oh, no, though. Oh, let's go back and look at the 4-hour chart. Look, we're trying to make our way down for the ABC pattern. And look, we just kind of consolidated down here. And now we broke up. Do we try to continue to go up to here? I don't know. Yeah, think about that. Port cards sent. Let's go check out Dallas Steve's report card. Hey, good thing I did get out. Once again, no loss at $1,100. Wow. 6 trades, 100% win loss. Average trade, 186. What's the largest? Largest, 809. Man, good job. You're freaking slaying them. That's awesome. NASDAQ's coming down pretty good. Is the ES going to work its way down towards trying to come down and fill that gap? I don't know, Rick. It should show up. I think it should show up tonight. No, I dare. See, gold. We got some wicks up here. Raj can't yell at you. Nice. 2.5. You pass 50K. Let's get it. About to cover my gold short. I want a little bit more. Trying to go all the way down by the VWAP. Not feeling it. I don't like the wick on that can. I'm just going to close it. I'm going to close it. Video earnings got the markets going. That's a fact. Good thing I got all that gold. Gold's going right back up. Debating. Really debating on shorting that MES. We haven't filled the gap yet. Gap fill is still like 10 points lower. Really, that really be a little bit more. Really be close to 20 points. Hey, BK, see you tomorrow. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the boop boop like button. Get it, get it, get it. What time is it? Wow, 9:47. Interesting. NQ wants to play in the gap area. I feel like that could come down there, but let's go look at the overseas markets. Let's go back. Nikkei down 233, 232. Kospi's come down a little bit, only up 80. Wow, look at HSI. HSI gapped up, came screaming down. Now Nikkei's blasting back, or not Nikkei. NASDAQ's rocketing back up. Should have probably took the long here off the lower regression channel. Stupid market. Interesting. I don't know what I want to do. Only $100 loss. Hey, Roger, you taking that with micros or minis? Micros or minis? Minis would be tough. I think minis would be really, really tough. Minis? Man, you don't get very much room. So 435. I went long earlier. I was long earlier. I made all my money back off the long. So I'm not long or short right now. Just chilling. Just chilling. Rick's in a report card too. Let's go look. Are we gonna catch a little slack here at the VWAP? Maybe. Let me just make sure. Yeah. Trying to make sure it doesn't have any account numbers I gotta blur out. Let's see. Oh, perfect. You already did it. All right, perfect. All right, let's go look at Rick's report card real quick. Gross 625. Nice, good deal. 5 trades, 10 contracts total. 100% win-loss ratio. Wow, little scouts. 42 seconds, 30 seconds, 22. 3 minutes, 2 minutes. It's pretty good. Good deal. Good deal at 52,000 in the account. No losses, so we can't compare it to that. We have no comparison win to loss. how much we win versus how much we lose, but good deal. If NQ rejects VWAP coming back down, we might. I was thinking about taking a short. That's awesome. I'm not trying to look for a big short. So I get carried away. Then we come down towards that 200 EMA. Or we're going to go back down, put me in the red. Yeah, I started off the night good. They got ugly. Now I'm trying to fight back. Now they're trying to take it back.
Connection lost.
Gotta love that. Gotta love that. Closing it. Closing it. Let's go. Gonna go ahead and take it back up. Man, gold's still screaming all the way back up. Huh. Hey, Raj, how do you feel about gold? Oh, look at the HSI going down too. UK's down. Do I dare? There's a little bit of liquidity we're coming up on in the ES. But yes, a little bit of liquidity right over here at 77.28. NASDAQ's still ripping. Do I want me gold? Gold right now is up 35 for the night. Wait, I'm taking a short there. Yeah, NASDAQ back up here. Short term overbought. We are above VWAP. Regression trail still sloping up. They're trying to tip me in. They're trying to get me to short this. They're trying. If I don't take it, it's going to drop. If I take it, I feel like it's going to get me. What's weird is Russell's only up 1.4 RTY. Russell's not looking so strong. Still below VWAP. Dow Jones below VWAP. Ah, it looks like it wants to roll over too. Gold's up 40. So yeah, trading takes a lot of work, a lot of effort. That's what people don't realize. It's easy. All you do is click a mouse. Yeah, sure. You're right, but which one of these buttons do you click? All right, I'm short. Against my better judgment. Let's see. Try to play down that EMA real quick. Playing off that overbought area. Come on down. I'm not even looking for a whole lot here. Good looking out, Adam. Smash that like button. Trading less than a year? Oh man, you're lucky. You're one of the lucky few. Come on, just get down there. Please, please, and thank you. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. It actually puts me at session highs. Boom. Session highs. Let's get it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I likes it. I likes it a lot. Even going down $2,100, still got the session highs. Remember that ES still has not filled the gap. Yeah, booms and bust. Taking a stop loss is key. Not taking a stop loss will end up taking your whole account eventually. About an hour ago. Yeah. Finished tonight. Nice. Still trying to go. Hey, we got gold up 42 points. Let's get it. Hey, Eddie, have a good night. No, the chart on the right is a Ninja Renko chart. Let me see. If you type in exclamation point Renko, you can download it for there for free. Nightbot will post the link. I'll show you where it's at. Right there. So we click on that link. It'll take you to this page like this. Scroll down. You want to see. Oh, all right, they're having a problem right now. Normally, it'll take you to the page. So when they fix the website, it'll be back. But I have a video showing the settings and the differences of that. Of my Renko charts. Let me find it. There we go. Right there's a link for the explain the Renko charts in detail, my settings I use. If you want to check it out. I think I just dropped that video a week or two ago. We got to scratch it. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget, boop, that lucky like button. We are going to be giving away 2 Lucid accounts tonight. Tonight. I think one's going to be a flex, one's going to be a pro, but don't hold me to it. Let's get it. Renko, 2000. I don't know. I've messed around with different bar types since 2007, but the Ninja Renko bars I've used since 2016 ish, 16, 17, something like that. Once I get the volume profile, so I bought my volume profile tools for Ninja from Ninja Renko, or from Ninja Co. And they sent me an email about some bar type, and I ended up going to their website and downloading it. You get your Siri running. Hey, so I'm thinking about jumping on this gold. We'll try to produce a little wick up here. I'm thinking about smacking it. Smacking it. I wonder if we can get a dip all the way down the view out. That'd be nice. Get gold down the VWAP. Ooh. That would be the move. I'm curious. Let's go look and see where the gamma levels are. I'm curious. Let's go looky. Mr. NQ, where are you at? Yeah, look, we had quite a bit of gamma up here. We overshot a little bit, boop, right back down. But look, we start clearing 600. Look where the next high gamma level is, 800. So the magnet above 600 is going to go all the way to 800. Is where it's going to try to pull price up to. The downside, we don't have huge gamma levels. A little bit here at 400, but not a whole lot. Interesting. NASDAQ's trying to come down here. Well, we got just above VWAP, having a hard time. It might have a little ABC pattern down here too. A to B equals C to D. Target's 510 to the downside. We've already broken the B point. The invalidation point is going to be around 541. 510 is the play. 510 in play. Let's see. I can't short it way down here below the EMAs. I need to see it bounce up first. Hey, Mongo, so when you go to activate the pro account, it'll say credit card, something else, and it'll say credit at the very bottom. Click on credit and it'll zero it out. If it doesn't, just contact support and they'll fix it for you. Man, they're not gonna give me a bounce up here, are they? Come on. I want to get short. I want to get short down to 510. Gotta get closer to these EMAs though. I don't want to short way down here. We're gonna be very susceptible just to a pullback to the EMAs. Every time we pull away from them, it slaps back. Just like up here, pull away, slap back. So. Short and gold. Man, don't go down there yet. Please, please, please. There we go. So 510 is the target. I'm going to front run that. See, look, good thing I didn't short it down here in the hole. Oh, whoop. Would have put me underwater really quick. NASDAQ can be a little wild sometimes. I used to have a hard time with the NASDAQ. Yes, a little bit slower if the NASDAQ's too wild for you. And the most dangerous. Could also be a lot more rewarding if you get it right. So it's kind of like a double-edged sword. Marry the yes, you date the NQ. You don't take the NQ home to mom. You mother sucker. Hey, we break above 541, it invalidates the pattern. My stop loss is before that, so that would suck. But it happens. Really just depends. I'm out. I'm out. I closed it. Oh, those jokers. Slipped me on the exit from where I closed it. Well, we came right to the point. We did not invalidate the pattern yet. 510 still in play. 510 still in play. We break 540. We break above that swing point right there. Pattern will be busted. It might end up busting it. Yeah, NQ can get nasty, nasty. Dirty, 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 dirty. NQ does not play. Once it gets a little hissy fit going. I still remember my first trade ever on the NASDAQ. I tried to trade like the ES. In a matter of no time, I was down $3,500. I was like, oh boy. Try a little DCA like I did on the ES, and yeah, it wasn't working on me. Thankfully, I did get out for a small profit in it, but I was like, oh boy, this is nothing like the ES. All right. We did invalidate the pattern. You can see we just wicked above it. So we invalidated that ABC pattern down. I don't regret it. It was a valid attempt. It just didn't work. Ends up being a busted trade. Let's go see the overseas markets. Nikkei is going to be at lunch here in 15 minutes. Nikkei is down 5 points. It's not too bad. HSI is down 56. Kospi's come back quite a bit. What about NVIDIA? NVIDIA is at 221. NVIDIA's like, hey guys, don't worry. I got you. Gotcha. Mine's a whole different beast. Well, crude oil's trying to pull back here. Raj, I'm thinking about taking a swing at that. Hey, Chris, have a good night. Already scalped it twice. Nice. You know, the fact that NASDAQ already filled the gap. Oh, you know what I just saw though? Hold up. Hey, could the NASDAQ maybe be trying to set up an ABC pattern down? We have to break below the B point down here. And depending on how high we go before we get the turn would determine how low this next leg is. From the current high, it'd be about 29,334. 61.8 area, 350. 78% would be about 387. Got good people? Yeah, we do. We got a good group of people. Good. ES has not filled the gap yet. How are we going to fill the gap? Or is the ES going to leave behind? Nikkei is back green. So Nikkei gapped up, slammed down, on a move back up. HSI gapped up, slammed down. And Kospi gapped up, did not fill the gap, and started running back up. Doesn't have to fill tonight. That's the problem I was worried about getting into earlier. Where I said my gut really wanted to short the market for the gap fill. Bob says, sucks, Stream Bean. I must have missed it. Oh, let's see. So we have this liquidity up here on the NASDAQ or the ES. 77.28. On the NASDAQ, I don't see any major liquidity. I don't see any. Well, we got 50 contracts up here at 662, but I don't know how I feel about this. So we had all this excitement in the market. The market just slows down. Slow. All right, F it. Knocking got me in. Oh boy. Impulse entry. Oh boy. Knocking got me smashing the button. Pulled the orders out real quick. I probably shouldn't have done it. They FOMO'd me into the entry. Yeah. Look, regression channel going up is starting to flatten here a little bit. The angle of steepness is not as steep as it was. See a nice little push down. But yeah, I'm probably gonna look to get out of this somewhere here-ish. This case really quick. I didn't want to sell myself short on the targets. Take the money. That's a smart thing to do. I'm not smart. You guys trying to go up here a little bit? Plus, they need to make back what I lost on that last trade. Give it Martin Gale story. Nice. When martingale works, it works great. No, I didn't get any rest today. After the stream, I went, what did I do? Ate lunch with the family. Then I went swimming with my daughter. We're playing in the pool. So. On. Stupid market. Break this low here, please, and thank you. Nah, I still got 3 more days. But it's less and less dosage every day, so it's not as bad. It's not as bad as that first night. That first night. Tell you what, though, it gives me an appetite like no other. When the stream's over tonight, I'm probably going to be picking out again. It full charges my appetite. So the first day I had no appetite. And now it's just like I want to eat everything. So I don't know what's up with that. $15-minute time frame, definitely uptrend. Yeah. We got to break this low. 1, 2, 3. Let's come down one more time and break it. Please and thank you. Oh. Stupid market. Not gonna let it stop me all the way out. Oh, you mother. I stop myself out, and then the sucker goes right down. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, that's the bad part about getting out early. It's nice you don't take the full loss. But then when it instantly, it's like, oh, his orders are gone. Boom, turns around. That hurts. That one hurt. Now I just want to see the NASDAQ go up just because. My impulse wants to smash it short again. No, hey, Mechanoba, I don't have the... I'm done with the funded accounts tonight. Or the... Not funded, sorry. The evaluation accounts tonight. I have 0 funded accounts after last Thursday's blow up. Last Wednesday or Thursday, I can't remember. Whatever day it was. So, yeah, unless you're live, like a true live account like Jesse is, then your orders aren't routed to the exchange anyway, so they can't see them. You mother. Look, if I didn't stop myself out early, right there, I could close it right there. I'd be at new equity highs. No, let's not do that. Let's not do that. Oh, man, son of a gun. Yeah, 2 minis? Oh, boy. Like, hey, we went down there, we bounced. You want to short me right back at the EMAs? I don't think I do. I know as soon as I get in, that sucker's going to take off. And watch them at every move. They are. I'm about to turn the camera. It's that camera. The camera's watching me. And feeding it back to the market makers. Target 46.90. Oh, you're right there at it. Yeah, we had good movement to start the stream off, or start the night off. Then just ask your wife, you're a micro kind of guy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, it is really messy. It's like, hey, come on in. Right in the middle of the range. Look, I stopped myself out prematurely up here. And you suckers are go. So I want to get out right down 24-ish. You mother. Stupid market. Now, the one thing that makes me want to short the markets too is that ES has not filled the gap. NASDAQ did. ES missed it by about 4 or 5 points. So. Yeah, ready to dip. I'm a little bit nervous to short it right now. All this choppiness can go either way. And when I look over on Bookmap, it can go there quick. Not a lot of orders on the books at all. I mean, we're talking 4 or 5 contracts at majority of the prices. So you get caught on the wrong side, it's gonna go. It has the potential to go quick. So it just sucks. I want to hurry up and get back. I mean, I think I'm slightly down from when we started the stream. So is that new equity highs? And now I'm pulling back. After already going green to red, back to green. So there we go. There we goes. Can you be in the ducky race? You might. Let's see if Nightbot picks you. And then maybe I'll find your name. I got a couple people already guaranteed the spot. So 4 legs, real estate, and J Loves. Always feel bad leaving J Loves behind. He's always plugging use code Mike, and I don't see his name. Goal got filled. Nice. Here I'm trying to chirp it up. No rhythmic on Ninja. Never won, but it's fun to watch. Man, they're really tempting me. Look, we're having a hard time over here on the 1 minute. Look how many times we got a little bit over the VWAP here, came back down, came back up, chopping around, can't quite get over it, pull back, come back again. We're having a hard time. Either we're gonna clear this and it's gonna rip, or we're about to dip back lower. But yeah, Mr. Market, please go down. Pretty please. Caught at the wrong time. Well, it sucks. Like right here, if I would not have closed it out early, it didn't hit my stop loss. I just closed it. And that was the wrong choice. Yes, everything's just kind of chopping around now. Slow down. So Nikkei is back at lunch. Or back. Nikkei is at lunch. So Nikkei is back down 97. Nikkei gapped up, gave it up, pulled back. Trying to roll over a bit. HSI, big gap up, came down, trying to make new lows. And the Kospi's up 119. Am I still in the micros? Hey, Blink, what micros are you talking about? I haven't traded any micros tonight. Talking about from today, I showed that I had 300-point trades in the MNQ today, all taken on stream. Yeah, I was long. Oh, that was the NQ. It wasn't a micro though. It was a mini. Can anybody help you? What do you need help with, Bendy? Hey, Raphael, I've been trading micros in the evals. Except for the TPT trade today. It came back on me, but like tonight, I only traded micros in them. I have traded micro gold tonight. Had that trade earlier. Yeah, I'm in the trade that Raj was in earlier. Yeah, I live stream every morning, New York session, 8 a.m. 8 a.m. to about 12. So. Come on, we're going to push it or what? I don't know. Is we going to push it? It's coming down here a little bit. Coming down. showing your ATM. All it is very simple. It's a 5-point take profit, 10-point stop loss. But I don't intend to just get 5 points. That's just a placeholder, and then I move it. If it fills it instantly, then before I can move my target, it is what it is. That's a blessing. So think about taking this. Think about pulling some of these off here. I really want all the way down to VWAP, but I'm gonna peel some of these off. Yeah, let's see if I can hold that last one. See if I can hold that last one in gold. Actually, I don't want to give this thing a whole lot of room. I'm gonna close it. I want to make up for that last loss. So that trade basically made up for my last loss on the NQ. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be interesting because ES didn't fill the gap. I still think the market may want to go higher. I just like to see the ES fill the gap first. I just don't know if it's going to. So no, I won't lose sleep. Like, I'm still up. I'm up for the night on stream. Oh, yeah, Apex through Rhythmic. Well, hey, Fendi. So Rhythmic, you have a different. Actually, hold on a second. Hold up. And sorry, I didn't see your question earlier, Fendi. It went over my head. Which, me being a midget, kind of does that. Crap, I thought I had a video for it. I don't. Huh. That's interesting. If any, I thought I had a video on it. I do not. Hey, so I don't think you're going to use a plugin. I don't think they have a plugin for Lucid. Let's go look at that. Now you get me curious. That might be a good video topic. I'll go back. Let's go look. Oh, hey. It doesn't have it. Ew. Hey, so if you go to Lucid's website, CQG basically TradeMate data, you can get NinjaTrader. They don't have NinjaTrader on the Rhythmic supported platforms. They don't have it on there. They have Ninja only if you get the CQG data, which I did not know. So. Gold losing momentum. I think gold's trying to go down to the VWAP. That's where I was going to try to get out, but I chicken out. I want to recover my loss from that last trade. I think we're trying to make it down to VWAP right here. So 46.75-ish. You ever had Rhythmic? I got out of my shorts in gold. I've had 2 shorts tonight in gold. Knock on wood, they both worked. I really want to short this. I really want to get back to session highs. I don't know if I'm going to get there tonight. The way this market's friggin' moving. Stupid market. Yeah, true on stop hit. The thing that's really messing with my head. So look, if the ES, when the ES came down here, if it would have filled the gap, I'd probably be leaning a little bit more bullish. But, you know, NASDAQ filled the gap. ES did not. Don't know how I feel about that. I would have rather them both either not fill the gap or both of them filled the gap. That's caused me a little bit of hesitations at the moment. So. All right, gold's trying to bounce here too. We did get above VWAP over here on the NASDAQ. What about ES? Hey, ES trying to go up. Yeah, channel is sloping upward on both. Yeah, I don't know. We might go back up. Got these highs at maybe New York. Maybe we go down. Maybe not. Gonna make you look at gold. Don't do it. Don't do it. If you're gonna trade gold, you might not want to start off with the big GC contract. You get spicy really quick. Unless you like spicy. This freaking market to move. Hey, or you can look at silver. Jesse's favorite, silver. Jesse is the silver master. He just doesn't like to talk about it because he doesn't want to share all of his insights with us. So. Yeah, I've never traded scary. I've never traded silver myself. No, I was talking about Jesse, Eric. Look, I think gold's going to come down and hit that VWAP. Pull the NASDAQ down with it. Hey, Raphael, good night. Boom, boom. That's all they got. Boom, boom. Oh, let's just stop with that. Oh boy. I did end up getting back in the NASDAQ again, but let's see if it's going to play out in my favor or not. Oh, wow. Probably shouldn't be stupid here. Let's do this. Just in case. Actually, I could close that out. That probably put me back at session highs. Hey, Fendi, you can trade it on our trader. I mean, it's not going to be a good experience. And you can trade it on one of the other platforms that they offer. Oh, Jesse said he's coming on. Jesse said he's coming on to give us a scoop on silver. Woo, so if you guys want to be a master of silver, yeah, wait a few minutes. Gotta wait till I'm out of this trade. I'll try to get Jesse on. Oh boy. Out. Out. Oh, you son of a. I really wanted it. I don't know. It says not supported. Hey, Fendi, are you still on here? I would try the plugin. Plug in and see. So I definitely try that. So you son of a gun. I could have. I think it went down a little bit more. All right, let me see if I can get Jesse on here. Gosh darn it. All right, let's see what the gold master has, or I'm sorry, the silver master has to say. Welcome, Jesse. All right, you're on. All right, so at least I got back. I had a wild ride again tonight. Bet down 2,100. Oh, all right. Now here's Jesse.
I told my whole story and nobody heard me. What's up, everybody?
No, hey, Raphael, I've never reset a pro account. Jesse has. I almost have. I was on tilt. I almost did. I was at the checkout. I'm like, stop it. I just went back and said, you know what? I'll just slow it down, trade 5 days. Now you only have to trade 3 days. So,
yeah, it's funny because if I were to rewind and have to do that over again, if it was only 3 days to pass, that might have changed how I handled that scenario. But it worked out, so I'm all right with it. I wonder if they're hearing me this time.
Hearing who?
Miss K, I was laughing because I read your comment up above where you said you tried silver once and it only lasted 2 seconds. That was my experience also.
Come on, Jesse. You can spill the beans with us. Tell us how we trade silver. We know you know how to do it.
Yeah.
Sure. Don't hold out on us.
I couldn't believe it. I mean, you guys saw that. I did that live on the stream. It was like, I can't remember the dollar amount, but it was like immediately down $1,000. I was like, whoa.
At least like $32 a tick or something.
I just couldn't believe it. That was during Asia too, if I remember correctly. So the markets weren't moving, but silver in particular that night was moving in big chunks because there was zero liquidity. It was just jumping. It would just jump. So. What's up, Scoot? Good to see you. Hold on 1 second.
Yeah, we're just like stuck in here. And NASDAQ's just kind of stuck. You see the regression channel flattening out more and more. And gold did not hit the VWAP yet. So they make it there.
Haunted says we've got good voices, Mike. We got radio show voices, don't we?
You can't stand my voice.
Thank you, Haunted. Appreciate that.
Apple's use code Mike a good amount of times for silver.
Oh, dude, I don't even know how many times I've used code Mike.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say trade silver.
No, it'd be funny. It'd be funny if they gave you those stats.
Of what?
What's up, Cheryl? Oh, which of us has used your code the most times? Zach, good to see you. Zach, I hope you're doing okay with that eval you won the other day.
Hey, Mongo passed the second one. He's
I
at
know
2
you're
now, and he passed both.
Sweet. Congrats on that, Mongo. Zach's
Sure.
kind of new to trading. I think learning is what I heard. So hopefully.
That's Mongo's son.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. Hopefully you can just take it slow and don't get too aggressive like you see myself and Mike doing sometimes. Oh, John Doe, how do you say it? Here, I'll put it in the chat right now. I think it's just !9. Boom.
Right.
There you go, John Doe. There's a link to get the 9 count.
There's a video to show you what it is. And then that video will show you 2 different ways to get it for free.
There you go. What's up, John? Good to see you, dude.
Gold's trying to pop up. Hey, John. Yeah, I'm good until I'm mad. Yeah, then I just torch it.
You listen, guys. What I like the best is Mike's mood swings, and I mean this in a good way. I mean this in a good way. So when you watch him go from green to red, he gets all down in the dumps, just like we all do, right? He's human. And then he gets a big trade, gets it all back, and he's like jumping around in his chair, and he's happy again. I love seeing that because it's like, makes me feel like I'm at home.
So what? You like seeing me down in the dumps?
No. Don't take it that way.
I'll just give you a hard time.
It's just good. I mean, I think this is why we all hang out here with each other, because it's good to know that we're not alone and it happens to everybody. Oh man.
I'm gonna do something really dumb. I need another $20.50.
Oh yeah, that reminds me of what I almost did this morning. Oh my goodness.
4-digit number looks better than 3.
Uh-huh.
That's bad. For $20, end up right.
Yeah.
Oh man.
It'll happen too. You know it.
I know. So I'm like, maybe I'll just do micros because then I got a little more wiggle room. It's only $20.
Mm-hmm. Hey, at least the market's been moving though.
Man, kind of slow. It was earlier.
Yeah, it was
just died out.
Kind of erratic. I've had 2 trades tonight, and both of them I couldn't have been more wrong. But luckily I don't. Yeah, I'm up $31, $32. 30.
Damn.
Well, average
Times
31.
5. Times 5.
Yeah, times 5. Yep.
See, that's not bad.
Yep. So
$150.
I'm gonna keep chipping away at these bad boys. 3 of these accounts are at $880.
Hey, so how? Hey, just for what time did you start trading
Tonight?
Yeah.
What time is it? It's 7:51 now. I got home at about 5:30, so maybe 2 hours.
2 hours. So you're making about $75 an hour.
Not bad.
Not bad.
My day job pays double that, but that's okay. That's
An hour?
all right. Yeah.
Really?
Scoot says he had 89 trades today. Woo. Oh, but that's on 5. So divide it by 5, or you mean 89 total on each?
No, hey Fendi. So for the login information for Rhythmic, you have to put in the credentials for Lucid. Hopefully that's gonna work.
Ooh, I'm hearing buyers. Hold on, let me look at my chart.
Yeah.
Oh, I got too much crap in the way here.
I'm not long, so I'm good.
I'm gonna go with them. Why not? See if they can finally bust through VWAP here. It's been just chilling there, huh?
Hey Fendi, does Rhythmic log in? When you try to log in through our trader, does it connect?
Yeah, because that's the first step. Once you connect, you got to sign their, just like Tradeovate does. You have to sign their agreements and everything, and then
it does. He says.
Then
hey, so you should be able to do it then.
Yeah, because you should be able to use it if you check mark the plugin mode and then go into Ninja and set up a connection. Use it the old school way using plugin mode. It should work.
Hey, but there's one downside, Fendi. You can only have one Rhythmic connection open at a time, so you won't be able to be connected to Apex and connected. Wait, you signed Tradeovate and RT? I'm confused.
Not Tradeovate. You mean the agreement, the trade agreements, right?
Okay.
But yeah, I don't know. I mean, they might have a block, but as long if you should be able to do it. I don't know.
That's what, $20, $30.
I mean, if this was a mini I was long on, I'd be up 70 right now.
Oh, you're long?
Yep.
What's your target?
Oh, it's just a proprietary target at 614, but I'll take profit before that. I've been just going for like 30, $40, you know?
Yeah, yeah, but hey, Lex, but the problem is if Lucid doesn't allow rhythmic, it won't matter the connection solution from affordable indicators. If it does, then affordable indicators solution would work for Apex and Lucid at the same time. But he has to at least be able to get one. He has to be able to get Lucid linked first. But
so with I missed the beginning of the story, Fendi. So remind me, Mike. So he bought a Lucid account, but he chose rhythmic.
I don't know. He said they gave him both though. It's weird. They make you choose one or the other when you buy it.
Yeah, you have to choose one or the other. Uh-oh. I just got a sell bubble. Darn it. I should have taken my profit. I was up $9 on that trade, darn it.
Gold never hit VWAP either.
Apple. No, I'm a director in a pretty large company, a global. The company I work for is in the S&P 500, believe it or not. So once you get up there in the titles with big companies like that, they just throw away money.
Wow, you make it sound like you're not worth it.
No, I'm worth it. I've put in my dues. I've been doing this for like 25 years. So
they just throw away money. You tell your boss, yeah, ever since you guys got big, you just throw away money. What do you mean?
Yeah.
I mean, look how much you're paying me.
Dang, now I'm down.
All right, I'm trying to get my $20. Let's see if this is going to bite me. It might. Probably will.
Yeah. Hey, Blink, that's right. That's what I meant. You get paid for what you know, your experience, rather than what you do. Yep, that's true. Basically, I sit around all day helping other people figure stuff out based on my experience. So
TradeAvate should be browser based, right? Should it matter which Windows version you're on?
TradeAvate, because I'm on Windows 7. Windows 11 laptop's down right now. Oh yeah, it does, because Windows 7 doesn't have the newer version of the Edge and Chrome browsers. You can't install the latest versions, and most websites require the latest versions. So yeah, you're kind of stuck. You're kind of stuck. I'm surprised you're able to install RTrader even. Are you an IT guy? I wouldn't say IT, but I'm in technology.
I just thought it would still work with Windows 7, but maybe not.
I don't know. More and more apps just won't install or work on Windows 7 anymore.
I can't remember what year I had a Windows 7 machine. I was trying to think about that. Woo! Got my $20. A little bit more.
Nice.
I know. Trading the P&L. That's always good.
Oh, you closed it right in time, because I'm hearing buyers come in too.
I'm not trying to make a lot. I'm just trying to get my $20. Is the stream volume too low? I don't know. I got the volume to the same level it always is.
How does my audio look? Is it equal with yours?
No.
Because remember, I turned down my mic the other day.
Yeah, it should be. That's about right.
That's funny. Fendi says, I do home PC repair, if that helps. It's funny because mechanics' cars are always crap. Home PC repair guys have Windows 7 machines. Car detailers have their cars all scratched up and looking like crap.
Hey, Raj, have a good night.
Hey,
He says he can use RTrader on Apex, but not Lucid.
Well, you can only be connected into one at a time. Well, here's the difference. Apex explicitly says you can use NinjaTrader with their Rhythmic accounts. And I thought I heard you say earlier on the Lucid website, it doesn't show the NinjaTrader logo on the Rhythmic account.
It doesn't.
So I believe there's a there's licensing deals in the background and stuff, guys. So if they don't have that approved for use with Ninja, then it's just not going to work. I thought you might be able to get lucky using the RTrader plugin though. And there, so in NinjaTrader, in your connections, did you choose the paper trading Chicago option instead of choosing the Lucid option? That might work. That's another thing to try too. Because I know the Rhythmic for NinjaTrader brokerage plugin has different servers you can connect to, and some prop firms have their own dedicated data server, while others have to use the paper trading Chicago. So you could try it.
I'm trying to see if I can find their instructions.
See your spaces.
Yeah, see their spaces.
What's up, Lucky Mon? Good to see you.
It really doesn't show it. I can't find instructions on. Can't find instructions on it. Let's do this. Hold on.
Fizzle. Yeah, I used to hang out with JC sometimes. Yeah. He hasn't been around. I haven't heard from that guy in forever. Fendi's going to try the paper trading Chicago trick. That might work, because I remember back in the day, if you guys have been around for a while, you might remember a few years ago when everybody left Rhythmic to go to Trade accounts because Rhythmic's data was really bad on prop firms. And that's because at the time they had all the prop firms using the same server infrastructure. So it would slow down and crash all the time. So then prop firms started, obviously probably paying for their own dedicated simulated environments. But some of them never did that. And so the trick was to use the option in there that's called something like paper trading Chicago.
ChatGPT says the same thing I just said. It's not listed. That sucks.
Miss K says I called him the other night. Oh, sweet. You talked to him? Good. I hope he's alive and well. Yeah, he just disappeared, huh, Fizzle? Hope he's all right. I think
does he have plans to come back?
Yeah, I think he was moving or something. When's he coming back? That's the question.
Baby, come back. Oh. No.
Oh, you call him the other me. Oh, I see what you're saying. I've been called Jesse W before. I like that guy too. Come on, just go up.
Oh, you're still long?
I'm still down. I'm down $10. I can't take a $10 loss. Are you kidding me?
This sounds funny. Usually Jesse's throwing out big numbers. He's like, yeah, $10.
All I'm trying to do is get these friggin' 5 accounts up above a decent buffer so I can switch back to minis and live my life normally.
Wait, I think we got to trade this for 60 days. I think you can get moved back.
No, I can trade a mini. I just need I just want to build a buffer. I don't like having a daily loss limit. Oh, there we go. Now I'm green. Let's go, baby.
Up $1?
6, 9.
I take it.
Take a $9 trade.
Hey, that's 30% of your profit you're up. It's
I
a
guess
30% increase on your P&L.
Yeah, I guess that's one way to look at it. There we go. Boom. Let's go, buyers. Let's go, baby. What's crazy is even though I'm trading micros, like, because I have 5 accounts copied, it's like I can see the micro chart move a little bit sometimes, especially yesterday. What was that? Yesterday, I had 4 micros on times 5 accounts. When I closed it, it jittered. I was like, whoa. Definitely can't try that with the minis.
Hey, can we get 10 people to smash that like button? I got to log into Lucid to see which accounts we're giving away. Which accounts? Who wants to learn?
Yeah, Blink stocks. I don't think I could drop down to nanos. This is painful trading micros, man.
Huh. Yeah, Ninja says if you open up a live account, you can get access to order flow tools. Yeah, Ninja Trader Prop if you pay for the monthly subscription or lifetime license. Maybe they gave it to her as a trial. Maybe.
I don't know. Trading broke me? Nah, I'm good. I'm purposely trying to. I'm having an internal battle and I'm trying to win it, I guess is the best way to say that. I'm trying to prove to myself that I can friggin' trade micros, build a buffer, and then get back to the real deal. Well, when I say real deal for me, like I'm used to having like $1,800 to $3,000 days times all the accounts. But yeah, obviously that wasn't sustainable for me. So I'm in the doghouse.
Well, look at it like that.
All right, Blink. See ya. Holy cow, 150 micros. Whoo!
Who is?
Real estate just said there's nothing wrong with micros. You can stack them up and scale in, scale out, just the commissions. Yeah, I get it. I know. But I don't even have enough drawdown to do something like that. I've told myself my max is 4. And so far, I think I've stuck to it.
I think. I like that. I think I've stuck to it. Maybe. All right, I got the codes for tonight.
Yeah, Lambo, I was in a slump for months. It was like, it had to have been 4 or 5 months. And then finally Mike convinced me to just do one account. And then that turned everything around.
Man, that was so hard for me to twist your arm. Golly, you're being stubborn.
No, you twisted the arm pretty damn good. It was hard for me to accept it.
I know you're like, no. Because what's going to happen is I'm going to pass. I'm going to be all mad, which you did, but.
Yeah.
But you end up getting a lot more money than you even imagined that you could.
With those accounts, yeah.
Yeah, and that's what we fail to realize sometimes. I mean, when it starts going your way, man, it comes back quick.
Fendi, I vote for you to get your Windows 11 machine working again. I'd focus on that. That's got to be the priority. What's up, Munoz? No duck race yet.
Oh, man. I was about to say, yeah, we gave away 100 accounts.
Oh, shoot. Sorry. I forgot Mike likes to mess with you.
No, we haven't done it yet. Oh, we did get 200 likes. Oh, smash. Good job. Good job.
See you, Eric.
Yeah, see you later, Eric. So what's your take on the ES filling the gap? Think it leaves it behind? NASDAQ filled it.
You asking me?
Yeah.
I don't know. I never even look at the ES. No idea. I mean, I feel like the NQ is probably holding up the ES, and that's why it didn't get the gap fill like NQ did. It's got a pretty strong weight in it, right?
But you mean NVIDIA?
Yeah, just some of the members of the NQ are holding that ES up. I think if the NQ flushes again, it could happen.
Yeah, the NQ flushed down more than the ES did.
Yeah, it'd have to.
So how could it be the NQ members holding it up?
Well, it's more exaggerated. I don't know. I still can't believe that drop, dude. That was pretty aggressive.
Well, my gut was saying fade the gap. I'm like, might be a little too early to fade the gap yet. I watched it go all the way down. I started trying to fade it. Said, I missed it. Started trying to buy it, and for the hardship.
Okay. See you, real estate.
Yeah, real estate. See you later. Oh, hey, real estate. Hey, before you log off. Hey, what's the first 3 letters of your email? I got you on the email list. Or for the duck race.
Yeah, just in case you win that bad boy.
Hey, actually, hey, hold on. Hey, we'll do it even better. Skirt. Let's just do a duck race now. We'll do a duck race now. Then maybe the market will get moving.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have. So let's talk about what you. Let me get Nightbot up real quick. Let's do this. Do it. Giveaway.
Ooh.
What's that?
We just took some liquidity. So 98 buyers absorbed that, though. Let's see.
Our trade detector bubble showed up too.
Yep, I got a red one. So the passive buyers absorbed all that aggressive selling right there. Let's see if it causes a little bounce.
Duck. Race. Bam. I need email. Bam. Login. Bam. All right. So, hey, if you guys want a chance to win, you gotta be signed up to the email list down below. Your email must be confirmed, meaning once you sign up, it'll send you a confirmation email. Click, boop, this is me. We'll send you a confirmation email, which could go to your spam folder. If you're not on the email list and you win, too bad, too sad, you will forfeit. And I'm going to give out a key phrase. Type the key phrase into the chat. Spam it into the chat. Nightbot's going to pick out 10 to 12 people. I'm going to pick out a handful of regulars I see on here as well. And we're going to see who has what it takes to win the duck race. So with that being said, I'm going to drop the key phrase. 3, 2, 1. Boop. I want a Lucid account.
Let's go.
Apple's fast. I was thinking about changing it too. All right. Get a few moments to populate. Get everybody a shot. All right, let's see. Number 2 is ARI Trades. Doug's. Bam. Simple Trader. Bedevil. NASDAQ's trying to come down.
Yeah.
Web.
Geez.
I don't know about this ES. Oh, did I talk to you this afternoon? Mongo?
I think so. Oh yeah, remember we were on the phone for the last couple hours of the market.
Oh, I talked to too many people today. I can't remember.
We were just sitting there waiting to see what the NVIDIA earnings were going to
that's
do.
right. All right. All right, that's 10. I'll let it pick out 2 more. Sucker's dropping. All right, you guys can quit spamming the chat. We're good. Nightbot picked out all the winners that Nightbot's going to pick out. So I'm going to scroll through the chat and find some fine individuals. Yeah, there we go. Miss K, you have a spot. Let's see if we can get Fendi account. He's having enough issues.
Yeah.
Adam. Ooh. Give them one too. Hussey. Let's see. Lambo Man. JC Lakefront. Ooh, Miranda. I get squirreled easy. I was about to go type someone's name in. They're like, yep, they're here. Learn the hard way. Bam. String bean. Oh boy. Frank. Natty. Oh man, I think they're already on there. Yeah. Put Scoot yet. All right, Scoot, you have a spot. Elijah, Fade, you have a spot.
Okay. By the way, make sure you guys are live on the stream, and the I want a Lucid isn't working anymore there. We got all those automatic entries done. Oh, buyer's stepping in. Am I green yet? Nope, still red.
Oh, you're still in it.
Yep.
Hey, Lucky Mon. Give you a spot. Let's see how lucky you are. Oh, we didn't do the poll yet. Oh,
yeah. Well,
man, we still got to do the poll.
Get everybody loaded. We'll do the poll next.
Hey, Tom, you have a spot?
Can I do a poll? Let me see if it'll let me. No, it doesn't let me.
It doesn't?
You must have me on like the absolute minimum permissions.
Got 31. What do you mean minimum position?
Permissions. I was joking.
I just went boop.
Yeah. Squirrel.
No, I'm saying whenever I set it up or whatever.
Oh.
I just clicked the little thing, the little three dots next to it and put moderator.
Mm.
Should be able to do polls. You can't?
Nuh-uh. Hey, can I pick one? Can I pick one?
Maybe. Who do you want?
I want to pick this guy named Pro Fast Guy.
Well, you gotta type that in there.
Pro Fast Guy. Hold on, let me tag you, Pro.
Hey, Dave Snyder, I'm gonna put you in too.
Pro Fast Guy, you're in. There it is in the chat.
Is it a pro? Is he fast?
We're gonna find out, Pro. If you're fast, if you got a fast dock, you might be able to get this.
Hey, what if he wins? Just ain't right.
I picked 3 winners in the past, so I'm just saying.
Been on a little slump lately. All right, we gotta do the poll. How do I do the poll? I can't. Oh, hey, I don't have a thing for a poll.
Really?
Yeah, I don't have a poll either.
Okay, so maybe it wasn't me. Hold on.
Oh, hold on. I had learned the hard way in there. Yeah, there it is. I was like, hey, see if you can do it now. Oh, hold on. Let me get out of here. I was kind of curious. Hold on. Does it let you now?
No, I don't know how to do it. I don't think.
Oh.
I'm trying to.
You're saying, oh, you don't let me. You're like, oh, I don't know how to do it.
Well, the 3 little dots at the top of the chat, right?
No. Down there by the comment.
Oh, yeah. No, it doesn't have that. I don't have that.
No. Like right next to the names.
Yeah.
Yellow
yeah,
smiley face. Then you have
No, mine doesn't
show
have
support and that little plus sign after that.
that. No, I don't. I'm not special enough.
Maybe if you give us the secrets that silver trade, we can turn that on for you.
Hey, you don't want my silver secrets.
All right. All right, let's check it out. Ooh, can't do it yet. All right. Which place duck should win the second Lucid giveaway? So duck number 1 in the race, guaranteed to win. You guys have to vote. Will be duck 6, 13, 24, or last. So you guys vote. I'm gonna leave the poll up for 5 minutes.
Okay, my vote's already cast. I'm in.
Hey Siri, set timer for 5 minutes. Hey, String Bean, when I was saying that, I was thinking that too.
What'd I miss?
He goes, his timer set too. Every time I say,
Oh, yeah.
hey, Siri.
I was thinking that. I glanced over at my phone to see if it set mine off too.
That way we can all be synchronized.
Yeah.
I didn't put it in yet. Let's see. Yeah, J Loves, you're in there. Wow, the 24th is winning so far. That's nice. Are you still in that long?
Yeah, it's green $9. I'm gonna try to get 20 or 30 out of it. Oh, there comes the sellers. They said nope. Sorry, dude.
That sounds so funny. Let's like compared to the numbers you use, like, yeah, I made 1,800. You're like, yeah, I'm up 9. It just sounds so funny.
It took you a few days to get used to that too, because when we'd talk on the phone, you'd be like, "What are you up?" I'd be like 9. You're like, "Oh, 900, good." I'm like, "No, 9."
That's pretty funny. Oh, Bob, you did not miss the duck race. Hey, is John? Hey, hold on. Is John in here?
Oh yeah. If John's here, we could pit them against each other again.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Well, let's see. Is he in here?
Oh, he was on the phone with him.
Hey, tell him to get in here.
What's up, Pud? Good night, dude.
I want to see which of you guys had the faster duck. Hey, the countdown's gonna end in 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey, gold's trying to move back up too. I don't know, man. Yes, might end up running. Oh, there he is.
Oh boy.
A little family feud here. Hey, don't be afraid to throw a little wing out there if you have to. Remember, if you're not cheating, you're not trying. All right, let's see. Edit. We got 36. Done. 2 minutes. Set. Sound off. All right, we're locked and loaded on the duck race.
Okay.
Hey, John, don't forget to vote. Which duck do you want to be the second winner in the race? Right now, duck 24 is winning. 24th place duck. Oh, you already voted? Kick your quacker. All right, 45 seconds. How close is the poll?
Let me see. 78 votes. Let's get your votes in.
Ooh, it's close between.
It's pretty close, yeah.
1% difference. Oh. I figure more people would pick last, but who it gets picked. How much you have now?
Let's go. 22. I'm just 24 bucks. 26. I'm taking it.
Hey, you almost doubled your P&L for the night.
I'm up 55, 56 bucks.
Hey, times 5.
I took it, baby.
All right. There we go. Poll is ended. All right, so it looks like it's going to be the 1st and the 24th. All right, let's see who's going to be able to take it. Remember, if you guys don't know, I stream the New York session as well. Come join me 8 o'clock tomorrow, 8 o'clock in the morning. Tomorrow, we are going to have 2 more accounts to give away as well. So let's get the whole field here. On your marks. Get set. Beep. That NASDAQ's ripping pretty good.
Did I close it too early?
A little bit.
Yeah, it's pretty sad to see my sim account at 588 while the others are at 55.
It's still good. You're going the right direction.
Yeah.
It's just a little bit slower, but remember, it's a marathon, not a race, not a sprint. Uh-oh. I'm trying to pick out who I think is going to win. Oh, there's Bob. Hey, where's Bob and John? Oh, John's ahead of Bob. Bob's coming for him.
Oh, boy.
Uh-oh. Oh, he's having a hard time getting past him. Uh-oh, John. Bob passed you. John's like, you just wait. I'm going to let Bob gas out real quick. Yeah, I'm going to blow past him. Oh, deep charts late again. Oh, dang it.
Oh, good thing I closed that. The seller stepped in again.
Yeah.
This is a tiny little range.
We got into being short-term overbought, too. Yes, it's trying to go up.
Okay, here we go. I like that little like skunk looking duck, the black and white one. What's the name
Dracula?
of that guy? Oh, is that what it is?
I don't know. It has fangs coming out.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's got the what do you say? The tuxedo suit too.
30 seconds.
Apple's hanging in there.
Yeah, it's not gonna last.
Look at John up there. Look at Duck 36. I'm a few seconds behind.
He's screwed. He's screwed. He's too far up in the lead. Hey, Bob's all the way in the back now. Uh-oh, is he gonna slingshot out? We're gonna have to see who wins, John or Bob, out of the two of them. Oh, Fendi's fading off.
I think Lambo Man's gonna sneak up in there. Let's see.
Oh no, just ain't right. Coming through aerodynamics.
Oh.
Boom. All right, just ain't right.
Hey, that was close, Apple. Apple, you were right there, man.
I don't know. We're gonna find it. Let me get this one. Let's get the giveaway done first. Hey, just ain't right. What's the first 3 letters of your email? MAR. Let's get it. Nope. Not that one.
And remember, if the next winner is not on the email list or isn't in here within 5 minutes of the call out, then we go to the next one. So hold your horses. Yeah, Ari, you were there too. Just Ain't Right and Ari were just almost there. Jared.
Where is it? Nope. I got a lot of MARs. Boy, shoot. Hey, give me the first 4 letters. There's too many pages. Oh, just ain't right. I don't know yet. I'm not getting off yet. All right. MART. Let's see if this narrows it down. Holy shoot. All right, let's see. Oh. What? So this time I'm going to start at the bottom of the list and it's going to be just opposite. It's going to be at the top. I know it is. Oh, I found it. Woohoo! Hey, just ain't right. So, do you want a 50K flex or a 50K pro? Your choice. You're the first winner. You get to choose. The other person gets the other one.
Sellers.
All right. Code at. We're trying to sell a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna trade again?
Nope.
Oh, you sound like it.
No, I'm not. Good thing I closed that up there though.
All right, hey,
just being.
Hey, just ain't right. You got it. Well, hey, you might want to wait. Hey, we're gonna see who the next winner is. Oh boy. Let's see. Hey, what place are we going for?
I think I voted for 13th, but I think what 24th.
Hey, 13th would have been Mongo. Again. Hey, that's where he won before, was 13th.
Oh wow.
Mongo, lucky 13 is your number.
Wait a minute.
That's what someone went on.
Hey, if 24 is not here, we go to 25, right?
Correct.
Okay.
All right, so not Lambo Man, not Frank, not Jay Loves. Learn the hard way, Miss K, Tom. Let's see. 14th, Adam. 15th, Scoot. Uh-oh. I see John's name before Bob.
Oh, John.
Ooh, John putting the smack down. Watch Bobby, the one that wins the account.
That'd be crazy if my guy, my fast pro guy got it.
David Snyder. Well, he's not too fast way down here. All right, Webb is number 19. Oh, pro fast guy who's too fast. He had to slow it down.
Oh, I tried, pro.
Daniel, 21st. Bedevil, 22nd. Simple Trader, number 20 or 23rd. 4 legs. Oh my goodness. Hey, 4 legs, are you in here? I don't know if he is. He's been begging. Hey, he's in a hard spot. Is he in here? Oh man. I don't see him in here. Do you?
There he is.
He is. Woo!
Yes.
Hey. All right. Oh man.
Nice.
He wasn't gonna be able to get an account till like October. So he definitely needed an account.
There you go.
Oh, let's see where Bob finished. Hold on. Where did Bob finish? Hey, 34th. 34th.
Out of how many?
36.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Hey, Four Legs, what's the first three letters of your email?
He said SLE.
SLE. Let's see. I feel like it's this one. Let's see if I get it right. Hey, I did. All right. Should have done that. Oops. Well, let's go. All right, hey, Four Legs, you got the email's been sent.
That's awesome. Whoops, I'm typing in the wrong spot.
That's funny. Hey, I'll be all. Hey, 4 Legs, if you do that, man, that's gonna be awesome. I'll be so happy for you. That'll definitely make me very, very happy. That'd be awesome. I kind of think that ES is gonna go back to the highs. Same thing with NASDAQ.
Dude, that'd be sweet if you can pass that account and get a payout. Woo!
Yeah, pay off his debt. He needs to pay off his debt. That'd be amazing.
I'm pumped. That's what I did when I got all that TPT money a few weeks back. My wife and I used it to pay down our car loans. We don't have any other debt other than that. So, well, the house, but thank goodness we don't have a bunch of, credit card debt and all that kind of stuff. But it felt real good to actually not spend it, but to use it,
Yeah, it makes it real.
Uh-huh.
Here, check on gold.
Good night, just ain't right.
Yeah, just ain't right. Good night.
Are we going up or going down? We ain't going nowhere. It's too friggin' slow right now. All the movement was earlier.
It was good to start off.
Yeah, it was moving.
At least I'm back at session highs, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. And I went down 2,100 tonight.
Oh, phew.
I got aggressive. I got a little too aggressive too quick, and
that's what usually gets me.
by 300K account to full port it. Hey, just ain't right. See you tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out with us. Hey, Bob. Good night. This market shit's not doing much at all.
Yeah, it's putting me to sleep over here. Jeez. I'm happy with my 56 bucks.
Hey, it's good. It's just funny coming from you.
Like
anybody else, I wouldn't laugh, but all the big numbers always hear you put up. Dude, so you showed me, oh, look at this. You're like, I'm happy with my 50 bucks. It just sounds funny.
Yeah, I know it's funny as hell, but it's a really good head start heading into tomorrow. I'm sorry, I shouldn't downplay it. I'm purposely doing this, guys. Purposely doing this, and it's tough. It's brutal for me, but it's an exercise that I need to do.
We haven't had, hey Randall, we haven't had any waves over here. I've been out riding my e-foil. Yesterday I think it was, or the day before. I don't know. My days run together. Someday this week I rode it. I'm not gonna be able to ride it this weekend, unfortunately, but I want to.
Hey, Scoot. Good night there, Scoot and Daniel.
Yeah, I think I'm actually gonna head out too. I wasn't going to, but market's going sideways. I'm gonna get stuck in a trade and be upset. I'm at session highs. So hey, tomorrow morning, come join us, 8 o'clock. 2 more Lucid accounts to give away tomorrow, 2 more tomorrow night, and we got more on Friday. Now there is going to be a 150K Lucid account to give away on Friday, so we'll see. So with that being said, take care, have a good night, and Jesse, you want to say anything?
Oh, geez, you catching me off guard there. Hey, thanks for having me, dude. It's been my pleasure hanging out with you guys. Love seeing all your smiley faces. So let's do it again tomorrow.
Hey, how come you can see them and I can't?
I don't know, dude. It's magic.
Oh. All right, guys. Take care. Look forward to seeing you guys in the morning. Bye.